Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. If you like to add emojis in your social media posts, emails and messages, then watch this video. In this video we are going to tell you how to use emojis for Google Chrome. It's a Google Chrome extension that helps you to add different emojis. So let's start with the video and see how it works. Open Chrome browser and search emoji for Google Chrome in the Google search. Here is the result. Or search it in Chrome Web Store, emoji for Chrome. Here is the extension. Click over here. Add this extension. It allows you to see and type emoji on all websites, can replace Twitter and Gmail style emoji with your preferred style of emoji. Restart your browser or reload website after installation. Instruction to use. Here are 3 methods mentioned to write emojis. For visual instruction, go to this link, open it, click on this link. Here are the visual instructions how to put emojis. You can read this description and also see in visual. Compose email to see how it works. Click on this icon. Here it shows the emojis. I click over here and it changes the emoji in email. I can copy it from here and paste it on my email. Here you see the emojis. Another try. Again click on emoji. Here it shows the emoji. More emojis. Click on this one. It changes in the email. To add another, give a space and add another emoji. Now 2 emojis are added. In third method, add this little code and here it will show the emojis. For options, go here. Here it shows the different options for Google, Twitter, Apple, Facebook, Messenger, emoji style, blacklist, whitelist, websites. Other options for these extensions are here. So you see how this extension helps you to add different emojis in your email, Facebook posts, Messenger and other social sites. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel.